So this video today is for anybody that wants to double their productivity, double their business. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it with the worksheet that I use every single day. You're going to have it available for download down below. Let's start. Okay, so a lot of people ask me that, hey Walid, how did you end up working with Jennifer Lopez and Ricky Martin, Mariah Carey, Christina, Madonna, all these different people? And I realized what I had been doing over the years is that I was making daily to-do sheets without really even understanding the importance of them. Now, many years into it, I have refined these daily sheets, and I find that over post-it notes, over whiteboards, over chalkboards, or spiral-bound notebooks, this works better than anything else. And I actually developed a worksheet that's going to be incredible for you as photographers. Primarily, I'm worried about my photographers, but always all artists. So let's start. Let's not waste time. This sheet, by the way, where do you get the sheet from? There is a link right below in the descriptions, and the link is a sign up sheet. And then for my newsletter, the newsletter gives you this. As soon as you sign up, you get this download immediately for free. Let's break down my daily to-do sheet. This is the same one that I use, by the way, every day, and I put it in a spiral-bound notebook. We're gonna go ahead, and the first thing that you're gonna see on top is a white bar. The white bar just says message to me. Message to me is exactly that. It's a message from you to you.
I deserve good things. I am entitled to my share of happiness. I refuse to beat myself up.
It's truth talk. It's honest talk. It's just like there is no BS around this. It's what you're feeling the second you put that pen to paper, and it's what you're feeling. That's your truest emotions right there. So for me today, if you can see it, it says shut up, no one cares, work harder. And the reason why is because I've been sick for a few days, and there is nobody cares, get your work done, Walid, clients are waiting. On some days I'll say something like, you're doing incredible, continue the momentum, forget what they say, incredible, you're doing awesome, just don't let people take advantage of you.
And I'm going to help people because I'm good enough, I'm smart enough, and doggone it, people like me.
Whatever is up here goes there on the first line. Okay, so that is from me to me, but it's just being written down so I can see it throughout the day. Number two, it's self-explanatory, the date. The reason why the date is so important is because you're gonna take these, you're gonna hole punch, you're gonna take them, you're gonna hole punch them, and then you're gonna put them in your 3-ring binder, and then you keep them. So the reason why it's really important for you to keep them is because if you see that work is slow, if you see that our work is incredible, and you're like, why am I killing it right now? Flip back and see how you've been killing it every day, or how you've been lazy. The thing is, either way, this is your notes only. No one's gonna see them. I'm not gonna crawl through your computer screen and check it out. So it keeps me accountable. First section, so let's go ahead and start. Personal tasks. For you to be successful as an entrepreneur, your personal life has to be in order. So let's not pretend that we don't have personal lives, because we are working so that we could live. I've given 3 sections there, 3 things that you've got to do for yourself that day. It could be anything from buy groceries to you know, RSVP for a party, clean the kitchen, anything you need it to be, that's what you put, okay? If there's only 1 personal task for that day, then put 1. If there's 3, put 3. If there's 5, draw a little arrow, put 2 in the back, okay? So it's not that hard. You just adapt the sheet to what works for you. Next section, you guys, is take care of me. Take care of me. It took me many years to figure this out. I thought I was gonna be a robot and I was gonna be a machine and just gonna keep working and working and working, and I did, and then I burnt out. So the new Walid version 2.0, a little fuel efficient, a little more aerodynamic, lost a little bit of weight. He takes care of himself. He takes care of himself.
You treat yourself. Treat yourself 2011.
There are 3 things that you can see right here. I'm trying to meditate. I was complete failure today. Not a complete failure because I actually did it, but tomorrow I will be better. Okay, it's not that hard. I just typed in 5-minute guided meditation. It helped me. The first one kind of scared me.
This 5-minute meditation.
Oh shit, that sounds like Satan. No, it did. It was a little too. I'm drinking coffee in the middle of meditation, so that's not good either, but I did it. Tomorrow is going to be better, so I get to check that off. Number 2, my meals. I'm not counting calories, I'm not counting fat grams and carbs or anything like that. I'm just putting a check mark to see if I ate good fuel that day or if I didn't. Number 3, you see a little barbell there? I'm not buff, I don't know why I did that. You see a little barbell? The barbell is, were you physically active? Okay, so I'm getting over being a little bit sick, so right after this video I'm gonna go for a 1-hour walk, and that's as much as I can exert right now. So we're just going for a little walk today. Important to do that. And also I want to check off the list. If you don't take care of yourself, you're not gonna be able to take care of your clients. You're gonna lose your clients, they're never gonna call you again, you're gonna be homeless. Simple, right there, okay? Something I've added, super important. Water. Water, a glass of water a day. I've already had like 6, and so what's cool is that I like to kind of color it in. When you see it, it's a reminder, and you keep drinking water. It's not that hard. It's super good for you. Drink water, it's good for you. Take care of yourself. But this list, you guys, this list is amazing. I swear by it, I use it. When I do use it really well, I do very, very well. I want you all to do good too. There's enough room for everyone. I keep saying that because I mean it. Next 2 sections are what's gonna put you up here if your competition is right here. Next 2 sections are pivotal. It's everything. Career reach outs. Reach out to friends, reach out to people you care about. But you know, if you are an entrepreneur, a lot of your friends are probably in the business somehow. So reach out to them, see how they're doing. Like, oh, I knew that it was positive news. I just wasn't sure, you know, what it was. But anyways, I was checking up on you. If they cross your mind, see how they're doing. You're putting yourself out there in front of people, and I think that's what's making people think of you.
I think so.
Congratulate them on their work, suggest things for them, suggest yourself for jobs, just randomly hit up other photographers. If you appreciate their work, hit them up, say hi, say congratulations. Just so you know, in the month of January alone, my career reach outs got me 2 guest writing positions, got me booked on a podcast, and scheduled another podcast for early April. That's just me saying, hey, it's Waleed, blah, 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 whatever, okay? We're all in here. We're all trying to be digital. Go analog. So your heart's analog. Your mind's analog. Go connect with people. Those are long-lasting relationships, and a good entrepreneur understands that, okay? So really important, every single day, 3 people reach out to, jot it down. It's easier than you think. It could be a text, it could be a tweet, it could be a DM, it could be a phone call, an email, whatever it is. Say hi, introduce yourselves. Also remember, out of sight, out of mind, okay? So don't be upset if people bypass you for a job. Well, you weren't available, you weren't present, you didn't congratulate them on stuff, you didn't ask them if they were okay, you didn't ask them if they were feeling better. Don't get mad if they didn't think about you, okay? We're humans, we can only put so much up here, so we have to be reminded, and we like to be reminded because we like to know that people care about us and that people are paying attention, and we want to feel validated. So this is something that's going to help you, okay? The next part, the second part is, today I learned. If you did not learn one new thing every day, get up. You don't deserve to go to bed. Watch a YouTube video, listen to a podcast, read a book, read an article, read a blog post, do something that's going to help you benefit and it's going to advance your career. It could be anything from retouching technique, a lighting technique, saving on your taxes, social media marketing, you name it. You have to learn one new thing every day if you're going to advance. Now let's do the math really fast. Average 22 days in a month. That's 22 things you know more than your competition. Now let's do the math again. I think we're like 264 or 260 something new things a year, just Monday through Friday. You guys, this is gonna put you leaps and bounds ahead of your competition.
Remember when you told me that I was just gonna be a stripper? Look at you now, watching me, bitch.
Now let's move to the right side of the sheet. There's 3 sections there. Number 1, it is I must finish. I must finish is I must finish these images. I must finish this proposal. The I must finish is things that are due today. It's an emergency. You got to get it done. Okay, that's a box you need to finish first. I just put a big box, so as much as you can fit in there, fit it in there. As much as necessary to fit in there, fit it in there, and cross them out, cross them out. It's good for you. Second section, I really should finish. The I really should finish is exactly that. Things that are going to be due very soon, in a few days. Get a head start if your I must finish list is already done. But I really should finish are things that are going to be due very soon. You want to add that in there, and that is it. Okay, the third section is if I have time, things that might be due in a couple of weeks, things that you should really be getting into but don't have a due date. You still want to write those in that third section so that you don't forget. And remember, whatever you guys did not finish from, let's just say today, what I'm gonna do tomorrow's printout is transfer all that stuff in the appropriate boxes that they fit. Okay, if anything goes from the I really should finish to the I must finish, I just move them up. If new things come up, I just write them in. Basically, you just transfer everything that you haven't done to tomorrow's sheet. Some things may stay in the same box, some things may move up a box, some things may move down a box if deadlines have changed. Deal with it. It's your own life. You can prioritize, okay? In the bottom, it just says notes, and then it says parentheses, use the back. On the section where it says today I learned, so when I learned something, I take the notes on that day's sheet on the back. So my stuff is so full of information. What do you do when you finish like a month? I just run them through my little scanner, my little Doxy scanner, and then they live on a little SD card, and that is it. Down below, click the link, sign up. My mailing list, only 2 days a month. I don't spam you guys. I don't sell the information to anybody. It's just to help you get access to free tutorial, freebies, exclusive discounts on things, ebooks, to infographics, to cool tutorials like this. All the good stuff go only to the mailing list people. I know that there's a lot that follow me on Instagram and Facebook and YouTube and Anchor, Vero, all these different places, but really it all has to come right into the mailing list. So if you're watching this, congratulations. Sign up somewhere down below. You will get an immediate download link to download this sheet, print out a whole bunch, put it in a spiral bound notebook. Keep me updated, you guys, please, in the comments below. Keep me updated. I want to see you guys kill it. I want to see you guys win, and there's enough room for all of us to win. So share this information with anybody that you think could benefit. It's something that I've used to enhance my career, something that I still use every single day, and share it with your friends because there is enough for all of us to win. Okay, my name is Walid. Check me out on Instagram, how to photograph, Vero, how to photograph, Anchor FM, how to photograph. Click subscribe somewhere down below right here. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for paying attention. I'll talk to you later. Bye.